What's up, guys? Today on Skate Advice, we're doing a trick requested by Richard and little Ruebs, and it's backside tail slides on that and the other side and maybe the blue box. So let's dive right into it. Alright guys, to do a backside tail slide, the hardest part of this trick is to actually get the confidence to get into a backside tail slide. For doing this trick, you gotta be hella confident, and you gotta have to kind of have the will and drive to really want to get onto the back tail. That's the hardest part of this trick. But to gain that confidence, I like to try to do some like back 50s and slash it into back tails. Or you could go on top of the let's say curb or box that you're skating or ledge, and you can like pop into it and kind of feel how that's gonna feel when you pop on and slide. But yeah, my best advice is to start off on a dry super short ledge or low ledge. Learn how to get that stall in, and then when you're comfortable enough, take it to something higher. Alright, don't forget your best friend, sides, because your base plate and wheels slide on this top part. Hoping the base plate part where the board's at is there, and wax the top right here, and get ready to fucking glide. Rock and roll. Okay, so back tails. When you do back tails, your foot placement is pretty much just kind of like a backside. I like to keep my ball of my foot, the toe part, a little in the center of the tail. So when I pop and I get in, it's actually what drives, and I stand on top of that. I'm kind of like toe side heavy on the middle, maybe ball of my toe side heavy. My front foot is a little regular, just like I'm doing a backside. That's pretty much, to have this trick, you gotta be very comfortable with doing back 50s and backside 180s. Yeah. Alright, don't try to just stand on it, okay? Because that's what will cause your heel to catch. Also, just try to be on your toes, for this trick. So you're like stepping more pressure onto this pocket, because you're gonna drag it, you don't see it? Like that with your toes. You want it in that pocket where you're gliding and the toes kind of like pulling it, like you're trying to do a full kick. See that? When you finally get into the slide, whichever way you throw your weight will make you come off either fakie or regular, but your shoulders help. This is the kind of trick that you don't really need to open up your shoulders. You just got to get into that 90, and you could kind of hold that pose with your shoulders and your weight on your hip on the back tail. This trick, if you get into it and you're heel side heavy, you might catch your heel and fly back or pitch, and you don't want that. When you finally get into it, you want to be toe side heavy, kind of like the ball of your foot heavy, the center of your foot heavy. Be in that pocket. You don't want it too stuck down into the ledge or whatever you're skating, because you might catch it with the side of your feet or your heel, and you catch and you might fly. So you want to be in the pocket center, kind of. Usually when people learn this, they slip out fast, but the secret is to actually be standing on the center pocket as well as the ball of your foot. That will also help you slide better. Also, when you're finally in the back tail, try to keep your knees a little bent, but be confident enough to control where your slide is going. Yeah, so having this trick, it's a very advanced trick. Backside tail slides are one of those fucking cool tricks to have. Like, having them just feels so cool. Getting into the slide, you gotta keep messing around with it till you figure it out, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna figure it out and you're gonna get it, and you're gonna do backside tail slides, and it's gonna be awesome. But this trick, it doesn't come that easy overnight. I feel like you got to keep doing this trick to perfect it, or have it down, because having the confidence to get into this trick is pretty much the best advice I can give you for backside tail slides. So back tail slides are one of those advanced tricks for skaters. It just looks so cool. It's one of those really rad advanced tricks. Having them is going to be like a cool feeling, like a trophy or something. So that's backside tail slides. Again, like I said, it might be easier for you to learn it at a dry ledge. Learn how to stall and pick it. Alright, so that's my trick advice to backside tail slides. The hardest part of this trick is getting the confidence to throw your body and actually do a backside tail stall slide, That's the hardest part of this trick. But right when you get that confidence and you learn how to actually get into it, this is one of the most coolest tricks. A simple back tail slide on anything makes you look good, Even when you get to dig into it and slide, it's that much cooler. But yeah, thanks for watching. Watch it over, figure it out how to get into it, and yeah. Comment on the next video that you want to see of trick advice, and yeah. Like this fucking video and subscribe if you haven't. Peace, I'm out.